Leading the oil and gas industry with patented field-proven pressure control equipment, Worldwide Oilfield Machine produces superior quality products and services around the world. Worldwide Oilfield Machine, also known as WOM, is a vertically integrated multinational company that was established in Houston, Texas in 1980. Complete control over every process from forging, manufacturing, vigorous testing and training ensures world-class quality and relentless reliability within all WOM products and services, thus making WOM equipment an ideal fit for applications in high pressure and extreme environments. Beginning in 1980 with one location in Houston, Texas and 7 initial employees, today WOM headquarters in Houston has 4 locations, including a subsea division, a BOP division, a controls division, full-fledged manufacturing and state-of-the-art research and development center. WOM India was established near Mumbai, India, and now is the heart of WOM's worldwide manufacturing. The WOM Group is vertically integrated to ensure unparalleled quality control. Producing raw forgings and castings in specialized steel grades, followed by total manufacturing and testing of all finished products. With continued vertical integration, Magnum Forge and Machine Works, simply Magnum Forge, was established in Pune, India. Various forge hammers provide open and closed die forgings with heat treat and machining. Magnum Forge has an annual capacity of 12,000 metric tons, forging critical components for all WOM products in various steel grades. Magnum Forge is an integral part of the BOP production by forging a single-piece 13-inch 10K and 11-inch 15K ram-type BOP body that includes both top and bottom flanges. The demanding North Sea and European regions met responsive services and support when WOM UK was established in Aberdeen, Scotland in 1991. WOM UK services include offshore services, equipment rental, service crews for installation and maintenance, repair, retrofit and refurbishment. Next, WOM expanded strategically in Dubai to serve the Middle Eastern oil and gas market. WOM ME successfully added to WOM's global presence and ability to attend to the needs of our customers with full assembly and testing, equipped with a 689 square foot nitrogen gas test pit capable of testing equipment up to 30,000 psi, state-of-the-art training center, repair and refurbishment teams. WOM expanded in Singapore with the opening of WOM SEA, later known as WOM Asia Pacific, focusing on a subsea and surface group, R&D engineering, repair and asset management, and redesign and recertification services. Today, the WOM group of companies is strategically located worldwide with world-class manufacturing centers, engineering labs, sales offices, and assembly testing workshops in the USA, UK, UAE, India, Singapore, Turkmenistan, South Korea, and Indonesia.